Hi, today we find out if this knockoff ND filter can hold up against a Tiffen ND filter. I'm Kyle Kenrick, and in this channel you'll find anything and everything filmmaking. So if you could also follow these links right over here, and let's get closer over there, and I want to have more filmmaking conversations with you guys. But let's go ahead and get started with the content. So a little introduction. Tiffen is the leading, one of the leading ND filter companies and one of the most popular ones used on YouTube to this day. And there are several videos out there by a lot more professional people that have made this before me who've said why an ND filter is very, very required inside of YouTube content creation, especially if you're vlogging, especially if you're outdoors in the middle of the day. So you should go ahead and check those videos out. This video though, we're gonna see if you need a $100 ND filter versus a $25 ND filter. So the footage you're seeing right now is gonna be at the brightest point of the day, and also I put it at the brightest setting inside of the ND filter and the lowest ISO setting inside of the camera. All of the footage will be at the lowest ISO setting, so let's continue off that. You're gonna see it from the brightest it can be in the ND filter, and then you're gonna see it in the lowest setting in the ND filter. This next clip is gonna be the Tiffen Professional $100 ND filter, starting again at the brightest setting of the ND filter, lowest ISO setting in the camera, and then going towards the pure black that it can be. And now here's both of the footage side by side so you can see which one has the most purest, darkest, well, color, I guess, or image. And as you can see, the Tiffen ND filter has a higher quality image, but the $25 one still slightly holds up. There are some defects with the slight rings on the side that you can obviously see to make the ND variable part possible, but it does hold up for its price. Again, it's $25. What do you expect for being a quarter of the price of the professional one? So in the end of the day, it all depends on how dark do you really need your image. The Tiffen one is great if you really have to film in those very, very bright areas and ones that will just completely be blown out. But if you're located in an area where you don't really require that, or if you don't film as much as most people do, like daily vlogging or adventure vlogging, then I would definitely go for the 25. Or if you're just starting out, honestly, the $25 ND filter is great due to the fact that you'll never really need to upgrade until you eventually get a bigger following and you get to slowly make your vlogs or your content better. Now, quick question of the day. I'd like to know more about your guys' vlog setup. Do you guys use ND filters, or do you guys just try to strategize and go into darker areas when you're filming and when you're talking? Or what else do you do? What's your trick? And that's gonna end this quick little video right over here. So now if you guys are interested in getting either a Tiffen one or a ND filter that is a cheaper route, like a $25 one, the links are gonna be down below, and no cost to you guys, of course. It's just gonna help me out with a little bit of a, ching 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 to buy more gear and, well, help more content get created for you guys. And also, if you guys could like and follow the links after the video, that would be lovely so we could grow out this community. Love you guys, and of course, dream on.